see, but now you got me blocked. I can remember late one November night, you and me alone. I said some things I wish I could take back, but to them you held on. And time is a tricky thing, as it grew bigger still we diminished more. Our love is a broken heart, it's an open sore. The way we were had nothing wrong. Why'd I have to talk? I guess I like to sabotage when someone gets too close. But why'd you have to listen to those stupid words I said? We could have brushed them off as jest, and with love gone ahead.